Hello sisters, today I'm back with a high bun tutorial with kinky hair extensions. I absolutely love this look on me. It's very elegant, it's simple, you can wear it with anything at all, and it only took me 10 minutes to do. Alright, so let's get started. The first stage, I'm going to be applying my makeup. Finally, for my favorite part, I'm going to be using kinky hair extensions, a piece of thread, moisturizing shea butter, and edge control for my baby hair, and a bit of water to mist my hair. So let's get started. So I'm going to tie my hair up on a bun using my bubble, and also just applying my shea butter cream on my edges to give it a neat and sharp finish. I'm using a piece of thread to help me tuck in the tips of my hair, simply because I don't want the ends of my hair to be exposed, as it might get tangled with the kinky hair extensions and cause breakage. Now I'm going to smooth my edges with edge control. So here's the trick. In order to keep my hair nice and smooth for a long time, I use my headscarf. I wrap it around my head for about 45 minutes. But if you really don't have the time, that's okay. You could always use a hairdryer for the same result. So this is how it looks like after removing the headscarf. Now it's time to attach the kinky hair extension. You can also use a bobby pin just to secure it in place. So that's done, and I'm happy with the result. So this is what I'm going to be dressed like. It really goes with the hairstyle, and I'm ready to party. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you, guys. Bye.